Why does your scanner show the P0306 engine code? What does it mean? P0306 is a diagnostic trouble code for cylinder 6 misfire detected. The P0306 engine code indicate your vehicle's computer has determined that the air and fuel mixture in the sixth cylinder is not igniting correctly, causing that cylinder to fail to generate power. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Worn or fouled spark plug, failing ignition coil or coil pack, clogged or faulty fuel injector, vacuum leak, low cylinder compression. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chevrolet, BMW, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.